Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the unsupported file type problem. See, this is the problem. Let's start. Follow my all the step, otherwise you cannot understand properly. First of all, open your settings. You can see apps. Tap on apps. Then tap on apps management. Tap on search. Type here Chrome. Tap on Chrome. Scroll down. You can see storage. Tap on storage. Then tap on clear cache. Tap on clear data. You can see clear all data. Tap on clear all data. Then tap on OK. Now go back. Now you can see permission management. Tap on permission management. Then you can see all options. Allow all option. Already my options allowed successful, and tap on power off. Now restart your phone. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.